Alright, hey everybody. So today we're going to have another look at the wiring on the windows of my 91 MR2, which are clearly not working. Let's have another look. So this is the passenger side switch. Oh, we're good. Alright, I think so. Some of the issue I'm having is the wiring harness over on the driver's side. I'll show you what happened to that. This is under the driver's side kick panel where all the wiring goes. And if you can see, these are some cut wires. Don't know why they've been cut. And something has been spliced and electrical taped. So I'm just going to have to dig into that a little bit. So we already established that my window regulator does not work in connection with the window switch. So the next thing we're going to do is just run two jumper cables. It's just a ground and a positive. And we're going to connect them directly into the connector for the window regulator. Now this particular orientation could make the window go up, then we'll switch it, and this orientation will make it go down. So we're going to just verify that the window regulator at this point is still working. There's down, we switched the polarity, and we'll put it back up. There we go. Here is the driver's door harness, which has been completely removed. I've taken away all the sheathing, and this is the rubber boot that goes between the door and the body of the chassis itself. So, and over time, after 200,000 miles of opening and closing your door, we slide this back, we find already one completely broken wire, as well as this one, as you can see here. It's just split, not even connecting. So this is going to be how we fix this. We're going to replace 2 lengths of full wire, and we should see if we have power door window again. Alright, I've repaired these wires that someone has previously rerouted for me outside the plug. So now we can plug these back in. Alright, now it's ready to put back in the car. Alright, here's the door wiring all cleaned up and put back in the way it should have been from the factory. No more boogery pigtails. And while I was at it, removed all the audio wiring and airbag wiring that went in there. So just a lot less of a mess to deal with. There we go. And just like that, we're back in business. Alright, I'm happy that turned out so well. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And to see any more on this build, please like and subscribe. See you next time.